Hey guys, finally we're live. It's Mr. Crayfish and welcome to Mod Week. This has been something I've been thinking about doing for a very long time. I'm sure you guys have seen the announcement video, but finally we've got this live stream set up. This was actually supposed to be starting like an hour ago, and it seemed I had some internet issues, so the internet's gone a bit better. It's not dropping frames now, it's not cutting out, which is really good, so hopefully it can stay up for a couple of hours, 3, 4 hours, 6 hours, whatever, however long it takes for me to create this mod. But thank you guys so much for joining. I'm not sure how many viewers we actually have. Let me know in the chat, because I don't really watch on the watch page, so I can't really see how many people are in right now. But thank you again, guys, for your patience. It kind of did annoy me that I couldn't get this set up straight away, and my internet was really dropping out and being annoying. But here we are, we're ready to start day 1 of Mod Week, and today we are creating a gun mod. Now, this is, hopefully I'm going to be able to do this today. I really think I'll be able to do it because it doesn't seem like too much effort. I've like thought about it in my head. I'm thinking the stuff I've actually got to do for it, and it doesn't seem too difficult. Is the music levels alright, guys? Is the music levels alright? I'm not really sure, but I think they are. They look good. 160 people. Wow, damn. Thank you guys so much for the support. This is going to be a fun live stream. I know it is. So if you guys have any questions or anything like that, make sure you use hashtag AskCray in the chat, or you can send them to me over on my Twitter account, on my notifications. You might actually get them answered better if you send them on my Twitter, by the way. So if you need any questions answered, let me know using that hashtag. You know that Mr. Gear music right there? It's not really, it's no copyright sounds. But yeah, we're creating a gun mod today, and we're going to get started here. Now, how I want to do these actual videos is so in case people like learning about modding will actually be able to like follow this and actually be able to see what I'm doing. So I'm going to be trying to explain a bunch of stuff, but also while trying to keep progress going. We need to create a new come on. Just gonna create a new class here. I should really just have like a base template ready for every single mod that I actually create. But yeah, if we can get some topics going as well, I'd love to know. Oh, look at the questions. Look at the questions. So am I adding attachments? No, it's not going to be that crazy in terms of details, the gun mod. Unfortunately. Because I've got a time limit, I've got to be able to create it all in one day. If I'm spending that long doing customizing, it's going to never be complete. And the idea is for it to be complete. Name. Now, I haven't actually mentioned this, but basically I am taking in donations. Now, whoever is the top donator at the end of the day will actually receive the compiled mod sent to them at the end of the live stream, and they'll be able to start playing around with it and doing whatever. So if you're the top donator at the end of the day, I'll be sending you the mod. And eventually in the future all the mods will be released, but at the end of this live stream the top donator will be receiving the mod. Now there is a link in the description if you do want to donate. You don't have to. Every donation is highly appreciated as well, so thank you if you do donate. So let's go here, reference, mod ID, name. What else are we requiring? Whoops, that's mod ID. What else do we need on here? Version. have a look at the chat. Experimenting glowing 1000 degree knife versus cheese and crackers, please. I would actually do that just because cheese and crackers is obviously kind of my type of thing, and just doing that as like a parody. Might see what we can do. 1.0. I think it's going to be stuck on 1.0 forever. And then we need accepted Minecraft versions as well, otherwise it won't work. Yeah, I've got Nightbot in, unfortunately, but it's going to help clean the chat up and make sure that nothing like crazy goes on. How did I start developing mods? Well, I started about 4 years ago. No, more than that. 5 years ago, I reckon. I just basically found a tutorial on YouTube, and then pretty much from there I followed that tutorial and was able to create my first, I think it was like an ore mod or something like that, where I had ores spawning, I could smelt them, I could create tools from them. And it was just a first mod. I think it was like a Mithril mod. It was kind of like inspired from RuneScape. But like that was kind of overdone at that time. Even though it was like the start of like the whole entire modding of Minecraft, it was still kind of overdone. Do I need mod blocks? I think it's just going to be an item actually. Mod items. Alright. New package. Now, it's going to be a dynamic gun mod. And what I mean by that is pretty much all I need here is like one item class, and then here we're gonna do like hold up, item. So pretty much the item will take in parameters such as like what's the strength of, like how much damage can a bullet take from this gun, how many rounds it can take, how big is kind of the blast explosion. So for a shotgun it's going to be bigger than say like a pistol or something like that. So you have more range, but a shotgun will have less damage, whereas like an assault gun will have a more accurate range and more damage, I guess. Do you like to make mods, or is it hard for you? I've tried and failed so bad. Yeah, of course I like creating mods. This is like what I do for... I mean, I wouldn't say I do it full time. I do it to just create, like be creative as well, which is what I like. I'm a creative person. So we need to create a... Maybe we'll do it in here. If not, I'll move it out later. Oops. Gun attributes. I don't know. So we need stuff like public. Let's see. Private int. We need like something like damage. Actually, that would be a double, I think. Blast. call it accuracy for now. This will pretty much be like a the size of an entity. And then probably don't even need that actually. If I'm not going to be creating a class anywhere else, then it doesn't matter. And make them final too.
There's a distance between us. It's getting hard to reach out.
Maybe call it spread. I don't know. Trying to figure out what would be a good name for it, but oh well. Let's get some more questions going here. Was the furniture mod really hard to make for you to make? Not really. It's just more of a time issue. Like, it doesn't... I'll spend hours just updating the mod because the amount of furniture in the mod is just like ridiculous. It takes ages to update every single piece of furniture. Is Java for Minecraft mods different than website Java? I'm not sure what you mean by that. Have you already decided what other mods I'm developing? No, I haven't. I literally don't even know what mod I'm creating tomorrow, so I should have put the link in the description where the suggestions are. Hold up. I'm just gonna turn on my fan up a little bit higher. Ah, that's better. How many people we got watching? How many people we got watching? I haven't done live streaming in so long. I just feel kind of out of it at the moment, so hopefully this week will bring it back up a little bit. Oops. I'm gonna assume on right click is the method we want to be using here for kind of shooting the gun. But yeah, the cool thing is we're going to be creating a model for the gun as well. Now, I was thinking about it, maybe asking you guys if you wanted to create a gun model, but I kind of need to make it how I want to make it, in a way. I think I'm going to be making a shotgun, which is going to be, like, I'm only going to be making one model, but however you guys can actually maybe create some other guns, and then I'll be able to put them into the mod as well. Yeah, I'm not sure what's up with Nightbot. I really don't know. Pre-init. I think I'll only need these. I don't need the post event. And then it's at is it subscribe event? Is that it? I think it's that one. Well, let's hope. Pretty sure it is. Subscribe event, so we just need to do however we're gonna do. I mean, we'll just do like a test gun for now. We'll do the whole system later on that I wanted to create. Pretty good song. I'm gonna check my Twitter. Also, I am doing shoutouts as well, so if you actually go over onto my Twitter and retweet the live stream tweet. I think it's my latest tweet on there. I'll be doing shout outs later on for you guys. I'm gonna pin it at the top of my profile, by the way, if I can. Yeah, there we go. So if you retweet that, I'll be doing shout outs. You can find my Twitter in the below. Just checking if anything's dropped. It doesn't look like it's dropped at all, which is good. Register. Render. Yeah, this will be again. Private. Preachy finally checked Twitter. Let's go have a look at some questions. Some person said, I wish I could donate. What's your favorite kind of cheese? I don't know. I really don't know what my favorite kind of cheese would be. I do like vintage cheese, like really crumbly and tasty cheese. But you have to eat it with something, that's the only problem. Minecraft.get item renderer.register. What was it called? No, that's not it. Get. What's it called again? Get render item. Register item. Completely forgot what I've actually got to use here. Hold up. I'll just copy this, it'll make it quicker anyway. Register render. Okay, let's get item model mesher. I was on the right track. And then we just need to give this a unlocalized name. Set registry name. Give it a shotgun. Who was it suggested by? It actually wasn't suggested by anyone. I actually decided to do this myself. Kind of your suggestions was like the in case I happen to not have an idea, I would go over to the suggestions and see what you guys have actually said. Yeah, no, the quality is not going to be good for 480p, unfortunately. I can't do too much about that, otherwise I wouldn't be able to live stream at all. So unfortunately, that's how it is, and I can't do too much. But let's see. Should be going well. Can this be in version 1.10? Probably not. I should mention that I'm developing in 1.11.2, so if you are the top donator for the end of the live stream, it will be in 1.11.2. Alright, so we got that done. We need to get a proxy going. Proxy. Client proxy. New class server proxy. I always like doing that, and then proxy, proxy actually. Init, and then we just have to on here implements iProxy. And then in our reference, we're just going to create a string which is basically the directory to that proxy. So client, oopsie, call it proxy client. It's com.mrcrayfish.guns.proxy.client proxy, and then the server one. Are you able to use Object-File for your models? I'm not going to. I'm just going to be using a normal kind of model that you can create in Minecraft, like using just like the JSON format. So I'm going to be using my model creator to create the actual gun. So that's all good. We just need to go back here. Create at proxy, sided proxy, I mean. Public static iProxy proxy. In client side equals reference proxy client. Do we actually need to have the server side? We'll just do it anyway, just in case we need it for something. I mean, if we just had a client one, that'd be fine, just because we're using it to register the render here. Now let's just go ahead and check here, register. We haven't actually registered it into the game. Mind you, because it's so, the idea is going to be dynamic. It's going to be dynamic, so we're only going to be having like one register, so there's no point creating a separate method here. Do you feel disappointed that only 100 people or 300k came? Not really. I mean, that's kind of how live streams go. Like, you don't have everybody watching at the same time. It's kind of like I watch another YouTuber called Typical Gamer, and I mean, he has 10,000, 20,000 people out of 4 million. So you think, is he a bit sad that he doesn't have 4 million people watching his live stream at once? Not really. When are you going to release the community edition? Soon. I want to update it to 1.11. It's still in the works. It's still got like an update. It's still being updated to the new Office update, I think. So hopefully that'll be done soon. Is this ready to... I don't know if it's ready to launch yet. I'm just going to fix this up. Adds guns into Minecraft. Crayfish, credits. Alright, that looks fine. I mean, we can... we need to create a tab. Actually, what we'll do is just item guns. This dot set creative tab. Combat. Really hope there's nothing. Usually items don't need that much. Don't really have much to do with them. We just want to see if it's in the actual game. I'm not going to worry about the model yet. Basically, I'm just going to be getting the main functionality down for it. Hopefully, I can get it to work. What mod are you making? I haven't been here for a while and have zero clues what's going on. Well, if you look down at the bottom left, there is a today's mod, and it'll tell you what type of mod I'm actually making. So I'm making a gun mod. Oh, here we go. Why does the gun mod have a horse in it? It's kind of just the default picture I'm using. Just checking Twitter here. Let's do some quick shout outs. Oh damn, King Yoshi MC $1. Damn, it looks like he's going to be getting the mod at the end of the day. Thanks so much, King Yoshi. It's only $1, but it's the first one for the day. Alright. Yeah, don't worry about the world name. I need to get my phone on charge. Hold up. I'll let that charge for a couple of minutes just so I can bring it back here and then read it out. It should, oh yeah, there we go, top. So yeah, King Yoshi's top right now, and he's also the latest. Thank you again for the donation. So combat, we should have our... is it there? Hold up. Okay, it doesn't look like it actually registered into the game. I think... Oh, well, first of all, we didn't actually... Oh no, we did. Alright, just suss my source code. Register, registry name, creative tab. Feel like it might because there's no render, but usually it wouldn't do that. It should just register it regardless. Unless I've got this subscribe event all wrong. I don't know if that's being called or not. Just make sure that I'm doing the right. Because I feel like it's not. Nah, it's... Oops. It's event handler. Who's this? Camouflage 100. Oh yeah, by the way, there's like when you send a donation, there's like a message that comes up. Thank you, Camouflage 100, for that donation. There we go, I sorted that out. That's why it wasn't loading. If you guys can't hear the donation message, I will... Oh, damn, another donation. Who's this? Scott! Thank you so much, Scott. I know who you are. Thank you so much for the donation. Highly appreciated. I'll turn up the volume of... Can I do it? I don't know if I can. Let me know if you can hear the donation message next time somebody donates and puts a message on there. Or I just turn this down a bit. That thing should update. Hold up. Alright, there we go, fix that up. So that seems to be all loaded up, and it looks like it loaded the game, but obviously spazzed out and gave me an error because there was no model file. I can hear it dab. Oh yeah, I should dab every time somebody makes a donation. So, 1, 2, 3, thanks for the donation, guys. I dab for donations. Alright, so there we go. We got our silly item here. Oh my god, that is amazing. How did I do that crazy? Look at that. I'm a pro modder right there. I am a pro modder. Yeah, it's obvious because there's no model for it. It's just one gigantic floating pink and black block. Look, I can cover this chicken up. Ugh. Alright, so let's go ahead and let's take that out. Now, someone's already made a gif of me dabbing. Minus Scotty. Someone's already made a gif of me dabbing. I mean, you could make another one if you wanted to. But someone's already done it. He dab is so smooth. Dubs over dabs. A cheese grenade, damn. Who is my idol? Who would I look up to? I don't know. I really don't know. I don't feel like I look up to people, but I do watch a lot of different YouTubers and actually be like, I actually want to be in their position. So that's what really like makes me want to work harder, is be like, I want to get to 1 million, I want to get to 2 million, blah blah blah. I want to get to that position, you know? I mean, I do watch a lot of Roman Atwood and I love that, like, his style. Why'd I choose to be a YouTuber? I just really liked creating videos for some reason. It just started. Like, I don't know really how it started, but it did. Shotgun. Alright. So what we're going to do now is create an entity, which is going to be dynamic, and that's depending on basically the spread of the gun. Class entity. Oh, we got another donation. Who is this by? Camouflage 100. I'm just going to keep one-upping everybody. Thank you so much for the donation, Camouflage. Another dab. Dabbing for donations. Entity. We'll just do entity. Whoops, no, not that one. Now, I'll mention this again, if you're the top donator for the, at the end of the live stream, you'll be receiving the actual mod compiled and sent to your email. Because automatically I get your email from the donation, because it obviously goes straight to PayPal. We're just going to make sure this is right here, because what we need to do is kind of mimic the arrow class, so I'm going to be using a lot of that. And how's it do it? Entity Projectile. Okay. Might just implement that because it's a standard kind of class, and then I can pretty much modify that method. So set throwable heading. Maybe we'll look at entity fireball. This is something that's more of a straight direction, like the fireball doesn't have any gravity affecting it, which is kind of what I want. And here is like where you set the size of it. So this is where I'd be doing something like the accuracy or the spread of it. So a pistol will have a really small size, whereas like a shotgun will have a big size but less damage. Alright, so okay, so it's not gonna render at all. There's gonna be no render for the bullet. Is that a oops. How come it says camouflage did $5? Oh no, okay, it's added up. Okay, that makes sense. So your donations add up and whoever's got them. Okay, that makes sense. I didn't know how the top donation actually worked. Let's have a look at some questions here. Try describing how you're modding, so I might be able to do. So pretty much I'm just creating a new entity here and I'm basing it off the actual entity fireball class because if you know in the game, it doesn't really get affected by gravity. It goes in a straight line in the direction you're actually looking at, which is what I want. And we actually want to use something like this method here. So let's have a look here. I think okay, we need that by default. And we'll need to give it the shooting entity. So you can determine who actually shot you. Acceleration X, Y, and Z. Okay, shooter dot, hold on, get head, get Vic, get look Vic. Got another donation. Who is this? Lego. Hold on, I didn't see that message. Hold on, let me check it. He said, for your troubles, also a shout out for my channel, please. Lego Tyrell. Thank you so much, dude, for the donation. Highly appreciated. Go check out his channel, guys. I'll quickly... Oh no, I can't copy that. Damn it. Lego Tyrell. Oh yeah, a dab for that. Oh, they're so weird. I don't know. Dabs for donations. Thank you so much again for the donation, guys. Acceleration. I want to make it like, okay, I've copied this code, but I don't understand entirely what it does. However, we'll figure it out. If I need to accept. set velocity. We'll have a look at the arrow here real quickly. Set aim. So set throttle heading does exactly the same thing, but that is confusing as hell. We can set rotation and yaw. But that doesn't update the motion though. Have I played Undertale? No, I have not. I registered on your website a while back. I forgot my password. There is no password reset feature. Yeah, I kind of haven't implemented that in yet, unfortunately, but I do plan to do it. It's just not really a high priority right now, obviously, because it's not affecting me too much. I mean, it's affecting you, but it's not like a high thing I gotta worry about right now, because I don't get too many people asking about that. Only once in every couple of months somebody asks. Alright. Basically, this is not I don't want an acceleration, I'm more of looking for a constant speed, because obviously down here or something, yeah, see that adding it onto the actual motion X every time it ticks. So I need to pretty much just needs to be a constant. But how does it actually shoot the fireball? Let's have a look. Reference workspace. Small fireball. Item fireball. Okay, here we go. Okay. Doesn't do anything. What is it actually even doing? Play sound. It's just playing a sound. Declarations. Okay, let's try this. References workspace. Here we go. On player stopped using. Alright, let's go. I'm just like being quiet for a second here because I can't. I'm just trying to figure out what we're doing here. so we're just going to deal with a shooter here and then a, what's that, float size. And obviously rename that. And then put the size here. And then in our gun class here, or in our item class, we would do something like this. So if world in is a server side, we would do like something like entity bullet equals new entity bullet. Then we would do like world in player, and then we would do spread here, but I need to change that around to a float. And then we'll do like bullet.set aim. Shooter pitch. I'll probably get away with using this. If on ground, I think we want to add that anyway. Item, whoopsie, entity fireball, there it is. How much time does it usually take to make a mod? Depends on the complexity. Sometimes it can take a while, sometimes it can take 6 hours like I'm trying to do right here. So let's hope that I do end up completing this mod today. Can I link to the crayfish dabbing gif? Go ahead, hopefully you don't get timed out by Nightbot. I'm not sure if it lets you post links or not. Why Eclipse? IntelliJ is so much better, to be honest. I've just been using Eclipse ever since I started doing modding. I do use IntelliJ for Android development only because you kind of have to. And I've just changed around all the controls to match. Well, I've changed the control scheme to match Eclipse just because I'm so used to Eclipse. Yeah, it is good. I do like it, but I just still use Eclipse. Bit of a personal preference, to be honest. I donated, but it didn't come up. I'll check the donations. Because right now I haven't got anything else. It's still saying, yeah, the people that donated. Now we do need to register the entity. I don't get this whole resource location one. ID, I don't know, 0, mod this, tracking range, I don't know, 64, update frequency, 80, send velocity updates. Might have to do true on that, we'll see. Might have to change this around. Okay, so I'm just gonna try and, I guess, acceleration X, depending on whatever that is. So it points the throwable entity to an XYZ direction. That's throwable heading. Okay, set aim. What's that do? I just want to know what this special value is. So what is that? I think it's just... There's something special about that value. And that doesn't make sense. And that will do nothing if I ever implement that. Super implementation, nope. Where's ticks alive get initialized? Nowhere. Ah, it's probably it's an abstract class, that's why. Someone give me a Cray tab GIF link, please. Do you reckon MCP for modding beginners? Just, I'm not sure what you mean by that, but you just download Forge development, the Forge MDK, and then pretty much you're good. Set aim, set throwable heading. Because what I could do here is instead of where is it again? Entity Fireball. I do want to keep it separate. Set throwable heading. Nope. Set. I'm so bad with whole directional sort of stuff. Are you tense, nervous being live? It can be a bit intimidating, I guess. Like, it's because I am live and it's different than creating a video where I would rather be, if I made a mistake or something, I wouldn't worry about it too much, but if I made a mistake in here, I would pretty much be, it'd be left in the video. Can't really do too much about it. Cray, read the shoutouts? Oh yeah. Thanks for reminding me. Let's do some shoutouts here, real quickly. Shoutouts, let's do this. Going on my profile now. Alright, so shoutouts for retweets. Let's go ahead and do this now. Come on, load up the retweets. So we got King Yoshi, Drew Crafter, Olin Stillerman, Zippytron, Andrew, Jack Paradox Gaming, Finn Doherty, Westpole, Seti Gaming, Will the Winer, I think that's how you say it. Will the Winner, whoopsie. Wow, English. Will the Winner, Daniel Willett, It's Mojang, Master of All, Rick Astora Dream, Anthony Valenti, can't say that name because it's not even a word. Canadian Horror, Tyrell, thank you Tyrell, shouted at you before, Scott, Richard Jones, and someone called Correct. Thank you guys so much for retweeting on my Twitter. If you haven't already, go retweet it, and I'll be doing more shoutouts later on. I want it to be like the fireball, but I don't get why. What's the difference? Okay. The problem is that okay, so it's very similar in that it's using that next Gaussian. Alright. Alright, so this is going to be something like velocity. Don't know what that is. Is that? Alright, so it's a double. Not sure you would use that like that. Alright, let's have a look at some chat right now. Sorry that I don't see too much. Are you planning to release the mod to the public? Yes. Eventually it'll be released to the public. However, top donor at the end of the stream will be receiving the mod right after the stream is actually done. Who suggested the mod? This first one isn't actually suggested by anybody. I actually just came up with the idea myself, and then now I've kind of gone with it. I wanted to do it anyway, that's the thing. I'm pretty sure it's legal to do that. But here we're going to change around this to... Thing isn't fireball. Okay. So I'm just going to do that for now. What's it saying I don't have? Oh, apparently you got rid of it. Shooter, and then we actually can get rid of those. Probably don't even need. We can do this dot set aim, and then just go ahead and then it's called this shooter instead. What started your unhealthy obsession with cheese and crackers? I don't know. I just really like cheese and crackers, you know? You just taste it and it's like, just crackers and cheese together. Like, I've always ate cheese since I was being really young. So, guess you could blame it on that. And then here we do world in.spawn entity bullet. We're also gonna kill this as well on update. Private ticks alive equals, I don't know, 100. So that should just get rid of it just in case. Alright, so what we're going to do as well is just in here. New component. Oh, I think it's component text. No, it's not. Text. Component. Text component string firing. Alright, let's go ahead. Let's launch this up now. You can actually get into the game now. I'm the best modder ever. I don't think so. Will a headshot to a player without a helmet be an insta-kill? You just want to do those 360 no-scopes, don't you? You just want to do those 360 no-scopes. I'll see. It might be a bit difficult to do like detection of where you're actually hitting, but I'll see. Might be able to figure out how that works if we've got the time. I like on XSplit now that it can just auto detect if I've got Minecraft up or not, so I don't have to like position. I can put it anywhere on the screen, it doesn't matter where it actually is. Whoa. Okay, so I think one of the things that I don't know that it's working is because I overrode that. So let's get rid of that. Let's launch it up again. What might what might the next furniture mod update be? I'm thinking bedroom update, desks, different beds, fans, dressers, flat screen, televisions, hamper to put used tools in. Yeah, I mean, I'm still thinking about what the next update might be. I might delay it a bit more just because I want to work on like the device mod and the skateboarding mod. Am I still doing modding tutorials? If not, why? I don't know. I can't say no to it, and I can't say yes to that question either, because the reason why they're not going at the moment is because like they just keep updating, you know. It keeps going to like 1.10 to 1.11, so there's going to be changes, and then pretty much whoever gets introduced into modding, let's say they start modding at 1.11, they would probably get discouraged to start at 1.9 and then follow through. So it's kind of a whoa! Did I just create like the Twin Towers? That is not supposed to. Okay, so it's because in my update class I forgot to do like this dot posx plus equals motion x, like that. Is it back? We Gucci? We back? It looks like it's going back up now. Oh god, we just had a spam of chat come through. Please don't drop out anymore, stream. I think we're good. We might be good. Doesn't look like it's dropping anymore. But I don't want to say that too early. Whew. So, yeah, this is the progress we made. We have a... I don't know what you'd call that. Don't know what you'd call that. Something strange. Alright, here we go. Hopefully it stays up. I really don't know why it's dropping. This is what Australians... This is what we upgraded to, guys, in Australia. We upgraded to this amazing internet that they planned for everybody to have in 2020. Like, just so amazing that they've really looked into the future here and really trying to put us at the top of the game. Yeah, this is, if you're watching this after the live stream, you won't be able to notice that the actual live stream actually dropped just because it will connect back up. Let's just hope it doesn't drop here anymore. But I can't really do too much. It's not the quality, it's not that I'm streaming at a high bitrate. It's pretty much because my internet's just dropping. Well, the stream connection's dropping and I can't really do too much about it. Like, I can't do anything about that, but I think I got this. And it still looks like it's spazzing out ever so slightly. It's just so funny. I think we're still good here. It's still dropping out a lot though. We've like got even encoded frames versus dropped frames, which is not really a nice thing to actually see there. What is my favorite game besides Minecraft? What game do I play a lot? I like Audio Surf. I think that's just a fun game. I play a lot of Guitar Hero. Play a lot of GTA 5. What other games on PC do I play? I'm trying to think. Projectile, rotate towards movement. entity fireball here. We're gonna suss out entity arrows that use them very similar. This looks like we're staying up now, which is a good sign. Anyone, are you going to make any more scrap mechanic? I'll think about it. I do like the game. I'm not gonna lie. Ah, whoopsie, I got 2 super run updates. Alright, terminate. I'm new, hey, dumb question, I'm new to learning programming. That is Java? That's in Java, yeah? Yes, it's Java. That's how you create Minecraft mods. People come to me like, why don't you write it in something else? I'm like, you can't. Why did I choose the name Mr. Crayfish? Kind of, I don't know how I really chose it. My friends kind of came up with the name Crayfish, and then I discovered that the name Crayfish was taken on Minecraft, so I just put Mr. in front of it, and then that is really strange. It's like moving, and then it moves up to there ever so slightly. That's weird. Update frequency. Might be something to do with this. Everyone is saying what mod he's making. It's literally on the bottom left corner. Yeah. If you're unsure what mod I'm making, check the bottom left corner of the stream right now and it will tell you. Hey Mr. Cray, I'm the one who Christmasified your pixel painter's map. Oh yeah, I remember you. I remember that picture you sent me. Hey, I suggested you a pistols mod with custom bullets at your Google's doc page. Why you no answer? I'm not sure. I mean, like, someone probably suggested a gun mod, but this was pretty much just on my own even before I started asking for suggestions. Okay, well now it's just staying there, which I guess is a better sign, I would say. Well, if we take this out of here. It's raining outside. The heck? The heck? It is actually raining outside. Hey Cray, just got here, what are you doing? I'm working on a gun mod. Why not put the mod in the title description? I should probably actually do that, I didn't think about that. But I guess I didn't want to give it away too easily. We need food mod with foods like sandwiches. Alright, let's see if this works now. Nope, still wants to stand there. It like glitches out ever so slightly. I really don't get it. Register mod entity, send velocity updates. Update frequency. We'll just do something here, plus 10. Plus 10, plus 10. That should, oh, you guys can't see it. Whoops. We'll do debug mode here. If I do that, does that? Okay, now it's stuck. Cray noticed me. Hey, spectacular Spider-Man. We need a dab mob where you can dab, double dab, and even reverse dab, and when you hold the button it just keeps doing the certain dab. Yeah, it's pretty cool. When you're getting new internet, please, I suggest Cray routing. I look so tired. Yeah, because usually I don't get up at this time. I'm actually really bad and I'm getting up at like lunchtime. Okay, that's a bit too quick. So apparently it doesn't want to update its position, which I don't get why. It may be somehow the way I've registered it. However, it shouldn't be. Because right now we just have waving entities. Set position. Oh, there we go. Woo! Boom, 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 boom. Okay, I knew we were doing something wrong. Look, I'm firing World Trade Centers up into the sky. Like, see you later. Be free, my friends. Be free. Oh, that's funny. It's not that hard. It's only hard if you don't know what you're doing, but Mr. Crayfish knows what he's doing. I mean, yeah, well, sometimes. I don't know if all the time. Look. Get look back. I'm gonna try this. I think I can get like... and crash. What did that not like? Null pointer. Yeah. Okay, it's probably on if shooter. Because it's being called on the client side, but the shooter's null. So, kind of have to check for that. Why did I already asked that question. Answered that question. Action builder. Already answered that. Did my stream drop again? Wow. Like, how bad is it? I haven't even got connection on my mobile. And my Wi-Fi, and not my Wi-Fi. No, I turned off my Wi-Fi so I would use data, and it's not even letting me connect. Why? Because that's how I was trying to get on Twitter before without having to actually. Why does Nightbot hate me? I'm not sure. I haven't really configured it like a whole lot. And I should have gone debug mode. Hold up, we'll do that now. We might also, I think, where is it? This here. What do you think of the Switch? You going to program for it? I don't think I will be. But I actually pre-ordered it, the new Nintendo Switch. I'm kind of excited for it. I saw like a Casey Neistat's video on it. I thought it looked pretty good. Okay, so it is shooting, but it's not. Alright, so let's do something here where we just say this dot motion x equals just for now. Then we just do here Because the thing is, it's not getting updated on the client side, so the renders don't really work. I don't think I did put it in debug mode. I make simple mods, so I can't speak for someone else. The Splatoon mod is the first mod I'm going to make that is more advanced. Splatoon is the best. I've actually never played it. I want to. Will you continue mod tutorials? If not, why? I already answered that question. You should make a Mr. Crayfish boss mod. I don't know. First question, just dab. How you got interested in modding? Third, please shout out my channel. Oh, Majestic Crayfish. Majestic Crayfish, I am. Thank you. How did I get interested in modding? I just kind of found a video on YouTube. I did actually answer this question before. And I'm not sure too much about shout out. It's a bit unfair for other people. Notice me, Cray. Hello, hobo gaming. You're a hobo? No. Is that working? Let's try true here. I mean, still stuck there. I was starting again because I just changed around that there to true. Can you try act out the sound of sad laughter? What? I don't want to do that. You're probably going to be recording me or something like that. I'm not going to be doing that. Alright, let's get back to this. What software do I use to make my mods? Please tell me. Well, it's actually an IDE called Eclipse. Whoa! Woo! Oh my god, it's actually working in the way I want it to. Boom! Boom! We're getting somewhere, guys. Obviously not fast enough. But now we can fire twin towers at like things. Doesn't kill them though, but it's still going in the right direction that I want. Boom. And let's have a look here. I think that, yeah, it's doing that thing. Boom, 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 boom. We've made a twin towers shooter. That's not disrespectful at all. It's not intentionally supposed to be that, guys, so don't worry. Hey dude, I've never seen your face till now. Yeah, I don't do too many face videos, so when people do see it, I mean, I'm obviously pretty, aren't I? I'm pretty hot, aren't I? Boom. So yeah, this is the mod, guys. How cool is that? Alright, we can actually get rid of this. So it doesn't keep doing that message. Just spam. Now let's go ahead and we need to amp up the speed of this baby, because bullets are just fast as yikes. I don't know, times. This would be our speed here, so times. Maybe we'll have a speed parameter in the item. Private double. Maybe we have a double speed. We're also going to get rid of that. So speed is just going to go here. Then in our guns here, we can just set the speed to whatever we like, 10 blocks. So it's pretty much 10 blocks a second. Wait. Yes? No? Yeah, something like that. It should be 10 blocks a second. Are you going to design what the gun looks like, or leave it there? I am going to be designing a gun. But at least we got all this done. I can hear your bird outside. Yeah, I can. Yeah, it's kind of annoying sometimes in my videos. What's that bird noise? In your space vid you had a bird noise. Now it sits here again, so it's like your bet sound. I don't get what that says. No, it's like space birds in here again. Space birds, I hate them. Space birds. That video took way too long to set up. Took me like 3 days to get that ready, and it wasn't. I don't know if it was worth it or not. I mean, I enjoyed creating it and doing it, but in the end result, it wasn't like boom, boom, boom. My direction's a bit off. I don't think it updates on the server side ever so quickly. Well, let's say entity fireball. Because It's not like it's not going in the direction we're looking at. It's because the server doesn't update your head rotation all the time. Only updates it when it's like a significant amount. So that's why it's going off in that direction when it's not actually going to. That, so we could counter that by sending a packet to the server with the correct information. Because this doesn't really... Let's have a look at Arrow real quickly. I mean, this is okay, so that's only... Yeah, I'm still not quite sure it's not updating like quick enough. Yeah, I'm not too sure why it's doing that. I only did that when I increased the speed as well. I think I might know why. Because that's like perfect, it's not... Yeah, it should be working right. Get look vec. Can we... Cross product. We can just do vec 3D add speed. Then that should work. Kind of, not really. Okay, no, it's wrong. I think it's cross product. Whoa. scale, maybe speed. There we go. Still don't like me doing that. Yeah, it's doing the same thing. Still got progress going. When are you going to do the Q&A with your girlfriend? Asked Cray. Don't have a girlfriend. Don't have a girlfriend, guys. Can everybody keep their language clean? Yeah, I haven't got time to look at the chat and clean that up. Alright. What I'm going to do is, so we're not like falling behind in terms of progress, we're going to go ahead and model this gun. Because we kind of got to get stuff done, you know? Alright, so we're going to create like a shotgun like thing, and I've already got an image which I'm going to be looking at and using for reference just because it looks good. So let's go ahead. Oh, you guys can see this already, that's good. Didn't realize it would come up straight away on the actual thing. Just trying to think how like they're made. This. Make that a bit higher. Bring that back towards here. So that's going to be like the handle where you, the real words cock it. Cock it back. I'll call this handle barrel. I really don't know. We might make this bigger. Oopsie, not that. Okay. Oh, that is right. Don't get how that size is that. Ah, oopsie, no, it's supposed to be like that. It's gonna be some like beefy shotgun. Maybe a bit smaller. That's gonna be pretty beast. And then we need like a little, maybe like a little, we need a little sight at the end. That'd be some mad sight there. It's gonna be beast. It's gonna... Now I'm not sure how to do the head, like the actual. I'm gonna have a look at some more pictures because I don't really know how. First of all, this is gonna go back to here. Gonna be some just like really beefy gun. That's how I really want it to look. Like if you saw someone that had this, you probably wouldn't want to go near them. Alright, so that's kind of done. We need a handle, obviously. And we'll make it... Make it a bit longer maybe? I don't know, the only thing I don't know how I'm gonna do is make it so like maybe it'd be like 2 arms holding it. That's my only problem. I don't know how I'm gonna be doing that. Pretty beefy so far. Sucks I can't do any more. Oh no, I can. Maybe make it shorter now. I mean, that'd be pretty beast. And then let's give it like a little... maybe to 0.2 here. A little trigger thing there. Little trigger there. Now let's color this in and make it actually look good. Oh yeah, use the bow animation. Okay, I'll see how I can do that. Thanks for suggesting that in the chat there. I just purposely made it look beefy, like big. I think it just adds to the element. What is that? That is the... Let's import some textures here, maybe stone. Yeah, we gotta be careful what we choose here. That looks pretty dope. Do you guys not agree? I mean, if you saw someone come with that towards you, would you really go up to them? Oops, no, I didn't want to copy that. I mean, that's pretty... I'd be pretty scared. What we're gonna do here is... I wanted to have just a one color. Then the top one here. Thought that was the... My stream back up? Okay, my stream's back up. I was just like waiting for it to come back out. I was probably just sitting there. Alright, so we remember we were back here just creating this. I was just about to play around with the textures here because I'm not like 100% happy with it, but Nightbot is unreportable. It's because it's a mod. They're a mod on the stream. Someone suggested doing like wood on like here. But I don't know, I like the kind of like the kind of SWAT look is what we're kind of going at. Is there a texture? I was going to ask you guys before the stream dropped out what texture I should try for this top barrel here. What texture should I try for that? Let's see if there's anything in the back. Anybody saying anything? People said wood, iron. Oh yeah, iron is a good one. Oops. Iron block. And then we'll apply that, copy, paste. We'll fix up the UVs here. Hold up. Slight glitch. Why is the UV there? Hold up, what faces are they? West. East. Oh yeah, dude, you guys suggested right. You guys suggested right. Is that working? Wait, what's that doing? East faced, oops. Up. That looks so good. I love that. Just trying to figure out how go to west here. Damn, look at that. That looks sick on the shotgun. Alright, let's copy that. Go to the east. You can paste that in. Don't come near me with this. North. UV. That looks beast. Who thinks that looks good? Give me a hashtag cheese in chat if you think that looks good. I think it looks sick. Come along with that. Boom! Any zombie tries to get me, boom! Have we got a hashtag cheese in chat? Yeah, we do. Golden cheese? What? They got blocked? What? How did they block golden cheese? No! Sorry, Nightbot 2. I like golden cheese. Cheese is delicious. I agree with you there. Don't know how to say a username. Alright, baby. Let's file, save project as shotgun, and we'll do the modeling or the positioning of the weapons afterwards in a sec here. Source, main, resources, resources, assets, CGM, oops, can't delete it, assets, models, item, shotgun. Alright, I'll minimize that for now. Delete that folder. Alright, so let's see if this will actually register the model now. It should. When we load up the game again. Actually, I know we can't. Alright, let's have this load. Oh, it loaded up, but it's like really teeny in my hand. I mean, at least it loaded up. Alright, so let's see what the item bow here does. What does this do that's so magic? But it's not a... The thing is, it's not like a constant thing. When you hold an arrow, it only does it when you're like shooting. Maybe there's a in our gun here. So like a get, hold, get. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think there's anything that says how you can actually get it to hold in that position. Yeah, there's nothing really on there. Alright, well let's fix this up anyway. Because right now it's not looking right. And I know why. So rotation here. Let's have a look. Scale in the GUI could be bigger. And then translator up one. First person right hand. Scale that baby up to 1. It's gonna be big. Big or go home, as they say. Said no one ever. Alright, where'd it go? I really don't know what the gun's doing. What are you doing, gun? It's pointing into me, guys. It's pointing into me. I think I did it the wrong way. Third person. Needs to do a 180. Let's reload that. Make a cheese sword. Ah, there we go. It's kind of right. Still not right. Please don't tell me it's just going to go back to 360. Alright, let's put that back to 0. Let's translate this up more. And it's not big enough. 1.5, baby. Alright, we need to get this up higher. Come on, gun. Slowly getting there. 8. Oh, baby. We need to translate it more and maybe go out on one of these axes to make it go out further. Oopsie, no, that was a scale, whoops. I just made it fat. Boom, baby. Boom. Don't mess with the crayfish. Don't mess with the crayfish right now, guys. Otherwise, boom. Boom. The recoil on this gun. Boom. The recoil's crazy. Boom, squid dead. Boom, squid dead. Look, I hit headshot first shot, you know? I'm not one of these like lamos that takes like 10, has to spray to get a headshot. Ready? I'm just like boom! Don't even look. Cool guys don't look. Clearly that sheep died. Clearly that sheep died. Boom! 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 Triggered. I am triggered right now. Triggered, like literally I'm just triggering. I'm pressing the actual trigger on the gun. Boom! 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 Whoa! I'm just too good at this, you know? What is that? I just came in. I'm working on a gun mod. Boom! 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 I've got unlimited ammo, you know how it is? Boom! I should really close off my model creator. I don't need it open, I saved the model, so we should be all fine. Boom! Love it. Boom! Okay. I think we've got over our gun here. Boom! Just boom, 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 boom. Boom! Alright, so what we can do now is... let's make it actually kill something. Let's make it kill something. So we're going to copy that, pop that into here. What is that find entity on path? Let me copy you out. Hello. Oopsie shooter. I don't need that. What's arrow targets? Just copy it out. A red. What's going on here? We just steal that. We don't need it. Oops, yeah, I've still got my game up. Whoops. Trying to figure out what's wrong here. Alright, that gets ended nowhere. Okay, I just did it wrong. Ah, okay, because it's double array. Okay. So now it's going to make it hit. Alright, so let's see what happens. So what are we dealing with here? If entity doesn't equal to null. So if we actually hit something, then what happens? Entity.attack from blah blah. Let's do entity attack from damage source. Damage source dot something now. We don't have the damage in here. Size, speed. What does that need? A float. Alright, and now Has anybody got any questions they would like to ask me? Alright, so we should be able to kill things now. Let's go ahead and launch this up now. Any questions? How do I go? Will you post this as a video after live stream? Yes, I will be. This is like, I'm live streaming on my development channel right now. So that's going to be going up on the development channel. Then afterwards I'm doing videos on my main channel, which is going to be showcasing the mod and doing that. That's kind of the whole idea of Mod Week, is it's going to be just a whole week of modding, which is going to be fun. Okay. What did I do? I don't think this is I don't think I have a bounding box or something like that. Let's have a look. On update. Can trigger walking. I'm triggered. Let's have a look. Oh, it did kill it. Oh. It killed it. Ha. Boom. It did kill it. What we can do is F3B. We can see what the bounding box is. What's the size, the spread? Set position, set bounding box. This width and this height. But that should be set in here, yeah. Let's just make it ridiculously big and see what that does. Alright. Restart the game. Put it in debug mode too. Change the bullet. What? Also, if you haven't been here for a while, basically whoever's top donator for the live stream will be getting the mod at the end of the live stream. Currently, Camouflage 100 is in the lead. Donated $5 so far. I think there's been another bunch of donators as well. Let's have a look. There's been a total of 5 donations already. So if you guys, I mean, only if you want to. I'm not telling you guys to do it at all, but yeah, top donator gets the mod at the end of the live stream, and then eventually it'll be public, but for now. Okay, so it's not really any different. Where did you get the idea to make the gun mod? I just kind of thought about it myself and was like, yeah, why don't we create a gun mod? How long have we been streaming for so far? I do not know. But I mean, we don't have a lot of time left. Okay, set size. Let's just see if there's something, because there might be something in here. Get collision border size. Super.get collision border size. Get collision bounding box. We'll do it as return get so I'm not sure why it's been all weird. How can we get the mod at the end of this video? Well, if you're the top donator for the at the end of the live stream, I'll be actually compiling the mod and sending it to you. However, eventually it'll be released to the public, but not for maybe like a week after mod week has actually finished. If this mod isn't like complete, I'll be like cleaning it up later on. But for now, it'll be like see if I can create a mod within the time frame of 6 hours. Alright, does that change anything? Ugh. That might just be the bounding box, have a look. I should be able to kill anything. Ah. Boom. I just don't get, there's a problem where it's like entity bullet here, shooter dot get head this height times what? Because it's not shooting in the correct spot. I'm not sure if that updated right. I'm gonna leave and come back to see what version the mod is in, if it works like that. How can we get this mod at the end of video? I did not understand. Basically, if you're the top donator at the end of the live stream, I'll be sending the mod to you via email. Currently, Camouflage100 is the top donator of the live stream, so if that stays, I'll be sending the mod to him. I mean, you're not obliged to donate to me. It's only if you want to support me. It's up to you guys. I don't mind at all if you do or not. That's just the whole benefit of being the top, though. Yes, the stream might be lagging because I do see drops happening right now. Kills everything. Just trying to find stuff to kill, you know? I'm going hunting. Going hunting, dudes. Where you at, animals? I literally can't find any animals. Haha! My accuracy was bad. Still don't get how this size works because right now it's technically not working. Okay. Set size. Don't need that. Yeah. Obviously need some fixing. Bullets don't go that slow. I think it's going to be like that. We'll see. Yeah, it's once I start multiplying. Oh, maybe. What? Double. I know. When it goes really... I mean, that's pretty quick. But it's still not accurate, like dead on accurate. I don't know why. Boom. Boom. Like, that's pretty quick. Can't lie about that. Boom. I mean, if you're in battle situation, like... Now the thing is, like, with this mod week, we can't, like, I can't be cleaning up. I can't be making it full, like... 100% real good, because we're doing this within a certain amount of time, and it's the whole idea is that we're going to be creating mods, but they're not going to be super duper polished. That's where that I'll be cleaning it up once mod week has finished, because tomorrow we're worrying about a different mod now, you know. But what do you guys think so far? Do you guys like how it's turning out? Can I code a civilizations mod? Basically, you would start with a nomadic tribe in the world, and time goes on, they will form towns, governments, wage wars, etc. It's a little difficult. Like, the idea might seem like easy, but it's not. I mean, I'm happy with that. I'm happy with the direction the bullets shoot, regardless of, like, sometimes it's slightly off in some directions. Like there it's off ever so slightly, but it's not too much of a problem. I'll clean that up later on. That's the whole point of the cleanups. Boo, 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 boo. Boom. Who should we kill? Let's just get out. I don't know. We can kill a bunch of them, I reckon. It should only ray trace the... Really, it should kill them, like, straight away. I mean, a blow right directly with a gun should kill you straight away, so... I'll fix up that issue with the rotation later on. You know what's dropping my stream? I swear it's the rain. Alright, so technically it's shooting right now, it's just... Boom. Create really nice controls for, like, the gun. Boom. One shot kill, boom. One shot kill. I think we should get a shotgun sound. Who agrees with me there? Should we get a shotgun sound? Yeah, no, my internet's dropping way too much. It's this rain, I tell you right now. Oh no, not 13 people. Did you notice your stream has been dead for 10 minutes? Has it? Ugh, ripperonis. I literally did not know. I reckon it's this rain outside, guys. It's this rain outside which keeps on dropping the signal. Ready, dead shot, boom. One shot kill, boom. Alright, so I said just before, should we go ahead and get a shotgun sound for this? Because I feel like we should. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and grab one. Let's see if we can go ahead and find one. I'll play the sounds for you. Oh, I think I actually found one ages ago. Yeah, this one here. Because the license was like, anybody can use it. Open with... Alright, I'm just creating the sound real quickly. I'll play it for you. Alright, let's pause the music. Pretty sure you guys can hear this. Well, yeah. That's the sound I want. So we're going to copy that, do it right up. File, export selected audio, og vorbis. Modweek, source, main, resources, asset, CGM. I think it's sounds. We'll figure it out soon. Shot, gun, fire. Alright, shotgun fire. Now I'm just gonna figure it out. Forgot how I... You guys can't really see anything at the moment. Is this going to change the flans mod? I don't know. Will it? Init furniture sounds. Alright, so we need to have a... Because how I was gonna do this is pretty much there's gonna be a JSON file with all the definitions of the gun instead of hard coding it all in, so I can actually add other guns real easily. Sound, player.playIn.posX sound in is going to be mod sounds shotgun fire. Category is blocks dot oopsie it's going to be players. Volume is going to do 1.0. Pitch will be 0.5, 0.8 F plus random next float times 0.2. So we just have variations in the sound ever so slightly. And we forgot to create a sounds JSON which is just, I don't know, I hate that I've got to create many definitions of this. Player alright, it's just called player. Alright, let's restart the game now. And we should have sounds when we fire the gun, which will be cool. Adds a lot more immersion to it. Cray Nation says get better internet. Hashtag pray for Cray, thank you. Tesla gun, please. What? It's literally, hopefully you guys can hear me now. Literally the rain is killing the live stream. It's literally the rain. How good is our networks here? Oops. I'm gonna assume you guys are still here. You guys still there? Let me know in the chat. Let me know in the chat real quickly. Hashtag cheese or something. Something that I like. On, off, on, off, on, off, on, off. Ugh. I know why it's not working. Hello, guys. I don't know. Yeah, there's no music right now. Because I'm trying to put the sounds in and I just wanted to turn off the music so you could actually hear the sound of the gun booming in your face. We are dropping like mad. Still no sounds. Alright, let's try. Put that there. And then we just need to restart the game. Cray should totally make the gun have 1/1000 chance of shooting cheese. That'd be funny, actually. Alright, let's see if this works now. Unable to play. Why? Shotgun RCGM. There we go. Slight mistake. Spelt it wrong in the file here. Not that one. This one. Oh, you guys can't see it. Whoops. Yeah, I'm not turning it back on yet. I'm like just trying to test out the sounds for the game. For the gun. I've been watching this whole thing. Thank you so much, Craft Blocks Royale. If you've been here since the start, you're like the true MVP. How's the shotgun model look in F5? Not good. But I'll fix that up, don't worry. Whoa, crap. That is intense. Can I put it in the hand? I can. Where's something for me to shoot? Does anyone want to read out some prayers in the chat? Last words, anyone? Say some last words in the chat for this sheep. Someone say some last words. Yeah, it is randomizing, but it's not a big randomize. I'll change it around though. We need some last words. Cray, I'm watching your videos from Quebec. Nice. That's Canada, I'm assuming. Yeah, it is. It's Canada. Need some last words. Make it so the fun explodes when you shoot. The sheep looks like poo. What? Sheep, you have been a great friend. Sheep, you live a woolly life. Goodbye, black sheep. Ah, can't believe we did that. Ready that cow. Peter would not approve. Keep missing that. What was that? Chicken. That's so crazy. Who reckons I can go for a 360 no scope? Even though it has no scopes. Woo! Oopsie, he didn't jump. It's only tradition that you take 100 attempts, then use the only one that you get, and then be like, I got a first shot. 360 no scope. Whoa, crap! We got it. 360 no scope the squid. Oh shit. See, I did it, guys. How dare you lay an egg? The whole idea is that the only gun I'm making Voids Gaming. The whole idea that I had was making this a dynamic mod so I can easily add in new guns whenever I want. Currently in this state that the mod is in, it's not possible. But in the future I'll be cleaning up this mod and actually making it better. So we've still got to add a crafting recipe. We've got to add hopefully we can quickly add in ammo, which will be good. I think we're going to keep it as it is right now. We're not going to go crazy. Whoops. I just got rid of my window show view package explorer. There we go. We're going to keep it basic. We don't want to do anything crazy because the whole idea is to be able to make a mod within a day, and if we spend too long then we're not going to have enough time to do everything else. So let's go ahead, let's do a public static item shot. We'll just do it ammo. And we will actually split this off now because we have more than public static void register ammo is going to equal new item. It's not going to be anything special. Set unlocalized name. Maybe we'll make it more specific just in case anything in the future. Shotgun ammo. Alright. That's done. We just need to go to item bow. Copy that. Item gun. Item bow. Whoops. Instance of, oh no, we're just going to do equals. That's where I need to do an actual custom class. However, yeah, it needs cleaning up. That's the whole idea of it needs cleaning up. This is just a sketchy way of doing it right now. I don't want to hard code it, but that's how I kind of have to do it. So if this dot find ammo player in, then we can fire it. It doesn't equal to item stack dot empty. Then we do that, and then we do, I think there's something in here, item stack. Okay, we should do item gun, do this, item stack equals that, stack doesn't equal to empty, then after here, shrink 1, does it have to check for, okay it does. Alright, easy. Let's put this music back on. We'll be uploading a 3D modeler so that it supports display settings. It'll be very useful for the models that I make with this already awesome program. Yeah, I do want to add it into it. Something that I've been planning for a very long time but never really had the time to actually get around, like find time and dedicate time to actually doing it. But it will be coming. I really want it to happen because it's a free modeler that people use and I use, and I find it easy to use. That's the thing, and that would definitely finish it off. Because it was never intention, like from the start, it was never supposed to be something that was supposed to be super advanced. It's supposed to be to provide the basic mechanisms to creating block models, and I can do it really efficiently, and I never have any problems. I never think, oh, I wish I could do that. I've got everything already in this program. Alright, so let's do new class mod crafting. Alright, how do I do crafting again? Crafting manager, get instance dot add recipe. I think that's actually game registry dot Yeah, there we go. Add recipe. Shaped recipe. How should we create ammo? He's texting his bae. I love you guys. Shotgun ammo. Params. How should we create the ammo? Give me some suggestions, guys. What should we use? Obviously gunpowder will be in there, but how should we create the rest of it? Yeah, I'm looking at the chat. Ammo should be cookies. Iron ingot. Redstone maybe. Gunpowder and iron ingots. Iron nuggets. But are iron nuggets in the game 1.11? Are they in the game? Are they in 1.11? Because I'm not sure if they are or not. Gunpowder in the middle, iron ingot on 3 left and 3 on right, iron at the bottom. Alright. Am I back? Gotta put cookie in there somewhere. Gunpowder. Keep suggesting, guys. What does a shotgun ammo even look like? Okay. It's like plastic. Then it's got a gold tip and then it's got the stuff inside. Red on top, copper. What? Cookie in the middle, gunpowder above, below, and left and right. Oh my god. No iron nuggets in Minecraft. Yeah, there's nothing in it now. Let's go into the game actually. We'll go into the game and see how we can design it. You guys can help out still. Someone's like texting Bay again. If there's a cookie in it, my life is complete. What the hell? Apparently we're missing the shotgun. Forgot to do that. Also, while that's loading, we'll do a gun tab. Tab gun. Extends creative tabs. tab CGM. Mod items shotgun. Alright, I was just adding the tab in real quickly behind the scenes there. You didn't see it. Let's go ahead and alright, so obviously we have no ammo at the moment, but we should be able to give ourselves, there we go. Click, click. I need a click sound. Click, 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 click. Is there one in the... Hold up. Oh, let me just pause the music here. I can't hear it. I need a click sound. Alright, let's create a because we're getting this stuff done quickly. Shotgun, pixel. We'll just create a 3D model. Let's create a 3D model of it, guys. Sounds good. Let's launch up my model creator again. Alright, so do-do-deal, biddy-beow. Like that. Make it a bit smaller. Let's call this the base. We all about that base, you know. Metal 1, duplicate, we're way too big. Let's put that music back on. Too big still. I mean, yeah, pretty good. Metal 2, then let's go ahead, import gold. Then that. We'll fix up the UVs in a second here. Stained. Hardened clay, stained red. Then for that, I mean, that looks like a shotgun shell. The top's too fat. Alright, I'll make it smaller then. I can make it 5 actually. There we go, that's better. Looks good. Save project, shotgun, ammo, and then let's export the JSON. Shotgun, ammo. And then let's just close that off. If we launch it now, it should already be loaded up. It looks like a torch Lady Liberty holds in New York. Have we got my shotgun ammo? Yes! And it's like already perfect render anyway. Let's get a ton of that. Do not mess with the Cray. See, it didn't even stand a chance. Alright, let's figure out this crafting recipe. So I'm thinking, like, I don't want, like, I want to use, I guess you could use that, and then we could use gunpowder, and then I was thinking, like, actually make it look like the actual bullet. So let me know what you guys think. So that, and that. What do you guys think? Keep in mind, that's what the model looks like. Will we see the ammo? Yeah. Cookies on the side. Jeez. Yo. Obviously it would make a few, you know? It would make you like, I don't know, 8 of them. Just think about it. Think about end game though. You can have tons of hardened clay, tons of gunpowder, and tons of iron golden ingots, and you can make tons. That's the thing, like 8 will be easily enough. Especially when you're not going to be using it super duper often. Alright, so let's do this. So it is gold. I would say ingot. Ingot, gunpowder, clay. I is items dot gold ingot. G is gunpowder, and then C is new item stack. Blocks dot hardened clay. Oh no. Stained hardened clay 1, and then the metadata is $14. There we go. Now how should we actually make the gun? And no cookies this time. I know some of you will be disappointed, no cookies. I think it should be iron. Obviously iron in it. Redstone, probably. How shall we make it? Oh yeah, whoopsie, I forgot to set the amount. 8, sorry. Iron. Maybe like the top, middle, and top left are iron, middle is redstone, gunpowder in the bottom right. Iron. Well, let's visualize it. One saying that looks nice. Like, I could go into depth where you actually have to do, like, create the barrel, create the trigger, triggered. You make a weird mod for stoners. Oh my god, you guys. Don't know what's up with you guys. Iron blocks through the middle, redstone block on top left, and cobblestone on bottom right. Maybe a lever as like a trigger. To simulate a trigger. I mean, that's kind of cool. And then add in a make it difficult. I mean, that's kind of cool. Maybe like that there. I mean, it works. Trigger, redstone mechanism, handle, then the barrel. I like that, to be honest. Iron, redstone, Then we have lever clay. Iron. R is redstone. L is C is that, just 9. Alright, that's good. Oh, I should take a screenshot of that. Actually, we'll do it after we reload. Plus, we'll also add that to the tab. I hope magic mod is tomorrow. I mean, why wouldn't there be a magic mod? Also, if you're not aware already, like if you're the top donator at the end of the live stream, you'll actually be receiving the mod. I might actually change that around for tomorrow. If you're just an in general donator, you'll receive the mod, which would be better, to be honest, just so more people get it. Sorry guys, my internet just drops. Alright, I think we're back now. Are we back? Dids? I think Base had come over. I'm home alone. Wow. No, nerdy man. Nerdy man, you need some treatment. You need help. Alright, so I fixed up the names and everything like that. Shotgun ammo still isn't coming up though. Oops, spelled it wrong. Hehehehe. Let's see how far I can shoot away now, because I don't know yet. Can I shoot? Oh no. Can I shoot them from here? Yeah, I still can. It's a bit far in terms of a being able to go that far. However, I think you can kill stuff behind. Oh no, you can't, yeah? Oh no, you can't. Thought you could there for a second. 360 no scope. Do you see that? I'm obviously going to be signed up to FaZe, like, probably tomorrow or something like that. So, rip YouTube, I'm going to FaZe. It's never happening. Cray should make a base for holding the guns on a wall or something like that. Ooh. I could, but I feel like it's going to take too much time, especially our time constraint right now. We've been streaming for 5 hours now, and my limit is 6. Well, 4 hours if we take down all the times I cut out, but still. I feel like we're reaching a point in the mod where I could do a lot more, however that's going to be up in the cleaning process stage, but we actually got something done today, which is, regardless, still pretty cool. But let's go ahead, let's fix up the models, because right now they're not entirely that good when they're in their hand. Third person right hand. If I flip that 0, what does that do? Alright, that's good. I think it's that one we wanna... It's a bit hard to see what I'm doing here, but I'm just repositioning it in the hand. Oh, no, wrong way. Oh no, whoops. Let's fix this up. Are you going to update this mod? Yes, I'll be like... I mean, it's already on the latest version, but I'll be like... We back? We back? We're back? Hey guys? Am I back? Alright, I think I am. We might just get a click sound. I don't know if this will sound good. Block lever. Whoopsie. else. Get position. Try this one out. I think after this, I am unfortunately going to be ending the live stream off, mainly because I don't want this internet issues to kind of annoy anyone anymore. So, Bay, we get it. You're home alone, but Cray is streaming Iron. You can have his. Oh, you've already said that. Oh no. Everybody, snap that like button. We didn't even do that. Snap that like button right now. How many likes have we got on this video? Let me know. Day 2 tomorrow? Yes, you are correct. Now, because we're in creative, it works all the time in game mode, yes. I can't hear it. So that seems to be working properly. Oh God. Are we back? We're back? We're back? I don't even know. Are we back? Alright. Let's make this quick. This is going to be the end of the live stream because it's dropping out way too much. I don't know why. Hopefully you guys are there. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you for the donators that donated in the stream. I'll be sending the mod to Camouflage 100. Thank you for donating $5. It means a lot. But yeah, stick around. Day 2 is coming up tomorrow and I'll still be deciding what we're going to create. I don't know what we're going to actually create yet, but we'll see. We'll see what I can do. I'll have to go through all the mod suggestions and check them out. But hopefully you guys enjoyed regardless of the stream dropping out all the time. If you're watching this afterwards, you probably wouldn't notice it. It might just be glitchy video, but thank you for sticking around to the end. It's been fun. I've enjoyed this and definitely want to get back into more live streaming. But thank you guys. One last dab. One last dab. Oh, crap. There we go. We dabbed it out. But yeah, hashtag cheese, and I will see you guys later. I need to go onto YouTube to stop the live stream. I'm not on the control panel page. Let's do this. Oh God, you're still here. Don't worry about me. I'm just ending the live stream off. and I'll see you guys later. Bye.